Hello everyone, here is technical team from ArcBro. Today we are going to show you guys about the shape library in the control system. Press F1 to reach the shape library and the arrow buttons that can help to select different shapes. And then press F8 to enter. We have the parameter set up here. And the first one is lead in and lead out. And then those parameters for the scales. Let's change it to be 200, 100, size 4 is 50, and 50. And then press F8 to enter. It's ready to cut. That's all for today, guys. If you want to know more information about CNC cutting machine, the cutting tips, click top to follow us.